Ram's wife Sita is the example of an ideal wife. She is a princess, never practically stepped out of a palace. And even she was carried on some prayers. She was carried with great honor and pomp and grandeur. Now she had to go into the forest. Ram just told her, you can't come with me. Like, you do not know what the forest life is like. But Sita insisted, no, I am your wife. Whatever comes to you, I am here to separate it. I am here to share that with you. So that is my duty. So due to Sita's insistence, Ram had to agree to take Sita along with him to the forest.